Okay, which statement is a counterexample for the following conditional? If you live in Springfield, then you live in Illinois. So we need to find some situation where the hypothesis is true, you live in Springfield, but the conclusion, you live in Illinois, is false. Okay? The whole bit of this has to be that automatically, if you know the hypothesis is true, then the conclusion must be true as well. So if we can find a situation where the hypothesis is true, you live in Springfield, but the conclusion is false, you don't live in Illinois, then that will be our counterexample. So let's see. Sarah Lucas lives in Springfield. That's fine. She doesn't say anything about which state, so we can't know. Okay. Jonah Lincoln lives in Springfield, Illinois. Now that's not a counterexample because that makes it true. If you live in Springfield, then you live in Illinois. He lives in Springfield, and he lives in Illinois. Okay. Now, see, Billy Jones lives in Chicago, Illinois. Well, we're not talking about people that live in Chicago. We're talking about people that live in Springfield. The first condition must be met, which is that you live in Springfield, and then we can go from there. And that's not what this says. He doesn't live in Springfield, so this does not apply to him. Okay, and finally, Aaron Naismith lives in Springfield, Massachusetts. So we found that the hypothesis is true. She lives in Springfield, but the conclusion is not true. She doesn't live in Springfield, Illinois. She happens to live in Springfield, Massachusetts. So this meets the hypothesis's condition, but then not the conclusion's description as well. So D is going to be our answer because that's the one. That's a counterexample. That's an example of somebody who lives in Springfield but does not live in Illinois.